Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Exact-Tom's Simple Storage wireless terminal model and firmware. This matters because menu locations change by version. Next, charge the unit above 50% or keep it on external power so updates won't fail. Then enable the wireless radio and note the SSID and password. You'll need them immediately. Once done, make sure the device clock is accurate and that your phone or laptop is on the same network to complete pairing in the next step. You now pair the terminal to your network. From the network menu, scan for your SSID, then enter the credentials carefully. Passwords are case sensitive. After connecting, run a quick ping or network test to confirm packets pass. This verifies reachability. Next, choose the storage mode that fits your workflow. Client to join an existing LAN, access point to host devices, or bridge for transparent traffic. Pick client for typical home backups. Once configured, set an admin password and save settings. You finish by running a small test transfer to the simple storage and verify integrity. Compare file sizes or checksums to ensure success. Then enable automatic backups or schedule sync windows so routine copies happen without manual action. If something goes wrong, reboot the terminal and your router, then recheck the assigned IP address and DNS settings. Many issues are fixed by clearing stale leases. If transfers still fail, revert to logs and note error codes before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.